welcome to K Cooking. My name is HK. I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Kohlrabi Kkakdugi. Kkakdugi is a type of kimchi. Traditionally we made with Korean radish. But today I'm going to show you how to make Kohlrabi Kkakdugi because my town doesn't have a Korean groceries. First, the ingredient is a kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is a mix with a radish and cabbage, and 1 cup of onion, chopped onion, and 1 cup of chopped green onion, and half cup of gochugaru, hot pepper, and 6 tablespoons of fishy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and about 1/4 cup of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and then half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of flour, and then this is optional. It's a kind of yogurt, so this is optional. And then if you want, you can use the kombucha. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the kohlrabi. So we have to cut this part first. So we're not going to use this one. Then this peel. Then take it up the like this. After peeling, we have to cut the top part. Top part is it's hard to chewing. And then when you see this kind of line, so we have to get rid of this part because this is a pretty tough part. So it's hard to chew. So I'm going to. Okay, it's ready. And now I'm going to show you how to cut this kohlrabi. So we are going to make a cube. So the cube in Korean is a kkakdug. Kkakdug is a kind of cube style. So I think about 1 inch or 3/4 inch. So like about this size. This is about 2 pounds of kohlrabi. Now I'm going to show you how to make porridge. Porridge helps the kimchi ferment. And then mix with the water and this 1 tablespoon of flour. If you have a sweet rice flour, you can use the sweet rice flour or rice flour or even cooked rice, just mash. So that one also you can use it. And then turn on the high heat until this porridge is getting thick. So now you can see getting much thicker. So about 20 seconds more. Yeah, it's ready. So and then cool down. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. The reason that I like to make this kimchi, I don't need to salt the kimchi. So you don't need to salt and wash and then drain. So this one just put ingredients put together. So you can save the time, but even still very delicious. Pretty simple and easy. It's done, almost done. done. Just mix very, very well. And then transfer the container. And then just stay in the regular room temperature about 2 days. Right now is June, so about when winter time you can stay at the room temperature about 4 days. But summertime only 2 days will be perfect. Ta-da! I made this kimchi 2 days ago. I'm going to try it. It's very crunchy and delicious. I think it's even better than regular Korean radish kimchi. And then, so I hope you guys made it just right now. It's really, really good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification. See you next time.